Well, about to get back on this thing, man. Remember from last video, just kind of taking a closer look at what Buddy did. He got this thing straight and welded it up right there. One of the weld ups right there. And then I guess on this side, he did some straightening. You can kind of see where that black at. Did some straightening there, and then he got the steering linkage and everything back put together for us. So I'm finna hop on it, start putting this stuff back in. See if we can get this thing put back together, back running. Laying everything out. Now you can see how labeling them bolts and everything, keep it all nice and neat. Everything in the box. Lead to an easy put back. Starting to take shape again. Getting some of these intercoolers back on, some of these pieces here. Got the fender wells going back on, getting the battery boxes straight. Got some more of the parts out, get them back in. Some of the newer pieces, battery box and stuff, filter. It'll be back together in a little bit. Starting to look back like before in there. So got the batteries in, got the vacuum hooked up, turbo piping on, lines back run. These two go to the radiator. Like I say, battery back in, air filter back in, hooked up. Got a couple of the coolers back in. I'm gonna go ahead and get some new O-rings for this one here, for the AC line. Might as well just go ahead and replace that, so I won't have no problem with that later. Hold up of the day is gonna be here. Probably can't really tell, but the radiator end cap is cracked. Looked online, and I think what I'm gonna end up doing is just going back out to the greatest parts store in the world, check one of them out, see what's up with those. Had to come back and visit my buddy real quick. Go ahead and get this here, since I already took the shroud. Just a few less parts you got to take off, but coming back for the radiator. And this time I actually might do the warranty. That way if it don't work, I just bring it back and get another one, because these radiators, they expensive. Alright, back at it again. After work, and shoot, now that it get dark at like 3:30, it's almost dark. I'm kidding, it get dark at about 5:45, but anyway, it's almost dark, but about to see if we can throw this radiator in and see anything else we can get done. It's about time to be starting this thing back up. So got this on, and this screw right here was being stubborn. It didn't want to catch the backside to actually tighten down, so got that in. I think next what I'm gonna do is headlights, and then after headlights I'm gonna do the bezels. So then once headlight and bezels on, then I'll probably do the grill, and then after the grill I'll do the bumper. We'll see how much longer I can stay out here and get some stuff done. I probably won't crank it or anything today because I don't have no fluid. I did lose transmission fluid. I lost Freon, but I ain't too worried about that. I don't think I lost no oil, but I guess depending on what time I finish all this will be determined whether or not I try to go find some transmission fluid to put in this thing. So let's see what's up. Stupid dog. So now I'm on the headlights. I use my headlights. They didn't crack, so I'm good there. They've been sitting and ain't no water in them, so they look good to go. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them in there. So this piece here is the same thing as this piece here, so I'm gonna just take it off and put these headlights in. Got the other one on the back of the truck. Do that, and then I'm gonna see if I can keep going. Get this brightness back in there, baby. Uh-oh. Got the headlights in, got them lights on, got the grill on. I gotta get this little piece right here, this little shroud piece that sit right here. I gotta go find me one of them, I guess. But shoot, man, that bumper is kind of heavy and it's somewhat flimsy too. So I don't think I'm gonna try to do that until I got some help. But shoot, man, put them batteries back together, put some fluid in this thing, get that AC back working, and shoot, we back in business. We back in business, man. I was about to call it a night and found the issue. So right there, which if I come in, but right there, this is supposed to be able to hook on to something right there. So I guess getting the warranty this time actually paid off, because I'm gonna take this mug back and get another one. This all the way right. So I guess that little, I think it was like 12 bucks. 12 bucks came in handy this time. 'Twas another dark and stormy night. Nah, just dark. Actually it ain't even but 6 o'clock. But so went and got the radiator. The first one I got, a piece of it was broken and I didn't notice it before I left. The second one I got was smaller, so it was off a truck where the radiator fits in the same spot, but the radiator itself is not the same size. I guess that was off of a V10 maybe, and it was like one set of I think they call them fins. I don't know what they call them on the radiator, but it basically was smaller, too small. Went back today, got the right radiator, so finna put the radiator in, put them lines back on, and hook the batteries up and check and see if everything is right. I'm gonna go get some fluid, transmission fluid, and actually I didn't pick it up on the way home because I wanted to see if I got some here, but transmission fluid and some coolant, top them off, and after that I should be able to roll. Finally put the batteries back on this thing, or the battery cables connected. So far everything's on, everything's back tied down except for the bumper. But gonna crank it up for the first time and see if any fluids come leaking out. You know, it hasn't been run since the accident, so I mean, it could have been more than just the body that got damaged. So guess we'll see. Hit the Cash App so I can get another radio. I'm kidding. It's been running for about really now probably about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours. I ain't seen no leaks, nothing dripping down or anything like that. I mean, ain't a bunch of gauges, but you know, everything look like it's right where it's supposed to be. So nothing wrong there. It rolls straight. Just gonna take it back and get a little alignment so the steering wheel's straight. Other than that, seem to be riding smooth. So I'm gonna say we back fixed. We back fixed. So I guess maybe now we can get back on the WhiteHorse. Get back on the WhiteHorse, man. Get ready for 2023. Went ahead and got that bumper put on there. Go ahead and get the bumper put on. Now it really is official. And I found somebody that has a one of them grill guards that was on there. I mean, that grill guard seemed to really help out with the accident, so guess maybe I will get another one just in case I need to bump somebody in traffic. I'm just playing, no bumping in traffic, but it's on there and everything seemed to be all finished, so that's a wrap on that.